Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pasquini Livia 90 Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a little bit of work, starting by removing the boiler safety valve, the vacuum release valve, and the pressure stat. Unfortunately this machine was overheating, and when that happens, this is the culprit. This basically controls the pressure inside the machine. So whenever there's pressure, this gets activated and stops the power to the heating element. So it wasn't doing that. It was just letting the machine heat up completely, and it wasn't getting activated, and it wasn't stopping the heating element it wasn't stopping the heating element to heat. So when that happens, the machine overheats. This pressure gauge goes all the way up. Once it gets to around here, like halfway through to 2, then the boiler safety valve, which is rated at 2.1 bars of pressure, so it will just basically burst out and a bunch of steam will come out through the sides of the machine. It's pretty cool to see, not really cool to be there, but yeah, that's what happens. And usually when that happens, this one doesn't really close back again, and when that happens multiple times as well. So as you can see, there was a lot of kind of scale build-up. You can kind of see some white stuff going around here, as well as in this one. This is the vacuum release valve. It was leaking, it was not holding up pressure. Could be because the pressure stat was basically blowing this thing and this thing together by overheating the whole machine. But yeah, what else we did to it? We replaced the shower screen that you want to see here, place the gasket inside the machine, give it a good tune-up, descale the machine, because as you can see, there's some scale build up here. There was lots of scale. Can you focus, camera? Yeah, there you go. There was a lot of scale build up inside the machine, so we really had to do a lot of descaling on this. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind series of this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. As you can see, good color coming out of the machine. I probably need to tamper a bit harder to get that perfect flow coming out of the spouts. But as you can see, really good crema. That's good enough. It's a little bit too long. Working perfectly fine. And now for the beautiful steam. As you can see, very powerful, extremely hot as well, working perfectly fine. And now for the hot water, I need one of these. 1 second. Working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Pasquini Livia 90 working once again and not overheating. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.